Before starting construction, several pre-construction studies were conducted, which include geotechnical investigations to determine the soil properties and assess the foundation requirements. Also, to determine the environmental impact assessments to ensure the project complies with environmental regulations, and a review of local building codes and zoning regulations to guarantee the structure's compliance. Finally, a thorough analysis of utilities availability and traffic impact studies were carried out to minimize the disruptions to the surrounding community.
So now moving on to the economic or financial analysis. So our economic and financial analysis indicates that the project is financially viable. So the total project cost, including land acquisition, design, and construction, and also contingencies, is estimated at approximately $1 million. So our analysis also takes into account potential risks and uncertainties, such as fluctuation in material costs and changes in interest rates, to provide a comprehensive financial outlook.
The contractor site organization is well structured, ensuring smooth project execution. The project includes a project manager who oversees the overall progress, site engineers responsible for supervising day-to-day construction activities, and safety officer in charge of maintaining a safe working environment. Additionally, skilled laborers such as electricians and plumbers work together to complete the project on time within budget, while maintaining high quality standards. Regular progress meetings and clear communication channels were and are still being maintained for efficient coordination.
So now we'll talk about the assessment of site safety and security. So as we all know, safety and security measures at the site are comprehensive and robust. So regular safety trainings for personnel, proper use of personal protective equipment, and secured access to the site help reduce the risk of accident and ensure a safe working environment for everyone. So the project included reporting protocols to encourage a strong safety culture, but also we suggested to the civil engineer there to implement daily safety briefings and toolbox talks.
This site layout has been carefully planned to optimize the flow of materials and equipment. Key considerations include efficient storage areas for materials and tools, well organized staging zones for equipment and machinery, and clear paths for transportation of materials and wastes. By addressing logistical challenges early in the planning phase, the project team has been able to minimize disruptions and maintain a high level of productivity.
So now we'll talk about field labor productivity observations. So we observed that the field labor productivity was generally high, with workers efficiently completing tasks and avoiding rework. So this can be attributed to effective planning, clear communication, and proper training. So regular progress monitoring and performance feedback ensure that any potential productivity issues are identified and addressed promptly. So also we can say that innovative techniques, construction techniques and technologies have also been employed to further enhance productivity.
We have plotted S-curves representing the project's planned and actual progress rates. The curves show that the project is generally on track, with only minor deviation from the initial plan. We used project data such as completed tasks, milestones, and resource allocation to create the curves and assess the project's overall performance. By comparing the planned and actual progress, we can identify areas where additional efforts may be needed to ensure timely project completion and make informed decisions about resource allocation and schedule adjustment.